Creeping phlox, also known as moss phlox, is native to North America, particularly the eastern regions. The plant has been cultivated since the early 1700s and has been a popular garden plant for centuries. The light pink variety is a popular choice among gardeners for its delicate pastel hue and ability to bloom in early spring. Creeping phlox is a low-growing perennial plant that typically grows to about 6 inches tall and 2 feet wide. The light pink variety produces small, star-shaped flowers that are approximately 1 inch in diameter. The flowers bloom in clusters and cover the plant in a blanket of pink during the early spring months. The plant's foliage is evergreen and forms a dense, moss-like mat that cascades over rocks, walls, or garden beds. Creeping phlox thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-draining soil. The plant is drought-tolerant once established and can be sensitive to overwatering. It is hardy in USDA zones 3 to 9 and is a good option for rock gardens, slopes, or as a ground cover. It benefits from occasional pruning to encourage new growth and more compact shape. Creeping phlox is a great companion plant for early blooming flowers such as tulips and daffodils. It also pairs well with other ground covers such as creeping thyme. The plant's low-growing habit makes it an ideal choice for front of the border or as filler plant between taller perennials. Creeping phlox is primarily used as a ground cover in garden beds, rock gardens, or along walkways. Its spreading habit makes it an excellent choice for erosion control and as a natural weed suppressor. The plant's delicate pastel blooms make it a popular choice for early spring gardens or as an accent to other colorful perennials. Additionally, creeping phlox can be used in containers or as a hanging basket plant. Its low maintenance nature and hardiness make it a popular choice for novice gardeners.